Automatic cars are super convenient until they suddenly jerk, stall, or flat out refuse to move. Most drivers don't even realize they're making mistakes that slowly destroy their transmission, engine, and more. Today on Car Care Xpert, we're exposing 13 stupid mistakes that are killing automatic cars every single day. If you're doing even one of these, you could be looking at a $5,000 repair bill before you know it. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Car Care Xpert. We drop weekly videos that save you serious money and extend your car's life. Hit that bell icon so you're never blindsided by costly breakdowns. Now let's dive into mistake number 1. And trust me, this one is way more common than you think. Number 1, shifting from reverse to drive without stopping. So many people shift from reverse to drive, or vice versa, while the car is still rolling. Bad idea. This forces the transmission to suddenly change the direction of power flow, putting enormous strain on internal components like clutches and gears. Over time, you'll wear out the transmission prematurely, leading to major failure and thousands in repairs. Always come to a complete stop before changing gears. It only takes a second, but it could add years to your transmission's life. Number 2, not using the parking brake. Yes, even in automatics. Many drivers think automatic cars don't need the parking brake. But here's the truth. When you park without engaging the handbrake, the entire weight of your car rests on the parking pawl, a tiny metal pin inside your transmission. Over time, this can cause internal damage or breakage, especially when parked on a slope. Use the parking brake every time. It supports your car and protects your transmission. Next mistake is something you do while driving, and it slowly fries your transmission fluid. Number 3, driving in D all the time. Even on hills, leaving your car in drive on steep descents might feel normal, but it forces your transmission to handle excessive braking instead of using engine compression. This overheats the transmission and wears down your brake pads faster. Use the L or 2-gear mode for hills. It helps control speed and saves your transmission from unnecessary stress. The next one is a silent killer, especially during hot summer days. Number 4, ignoring transmission fluid condition. Just like engine oil, transmission fluid breaks down over time, but many drivers never check it. Old fluid loses its lubrication ability, allowing heat and friction to tear up internal parts. Check your fluid level and condition regularly. It should be bright red and clean, not dark or burnt smelling. Replace it every 30,000 to 60,000 miles depending on your car model. And if you're a fan of warming up your car, this next one's for you. Number 5, warming up the car incorrectly. Many drivers let their car idle in park for 10 minutes to warm it up, but modern engines and transmissions warm up faster while driving gently, not idling. Prolonged idling just wastes fuel and increases engine wear. Start the car, wait 30 seconds, then drive gently. This helps both the engine and transmission reach optimal temperature quicker. Mistake number 6 is about something we all do: sitting at red lights. 6, shifting to neutral at stops. Some think shifting to neutral at red lights saves fuel. It doesn't. All it does is interrupt the fluid flow inside the transmission and adds unnecessary wear when you shift back into drive. Modern cars are smart enough to minimize fuel use when idling. It's safer and healthier for your transmission to just keep it in drive at lights. This one bad habit can make your transmission slip without warning. Number 7, accelerating hard from a stop. Flooring the gas pedal from a dead stop puts immense pressure on the torque converter and clutches inside your transmission. Frequent hard launches lead to slipping, overheating, and early wear. If you want long life from your automatic, accelerate smoothly, especially during city driving. And if you're towing with an automatic, this next tip is critical. Number 8, towing without a transmission cooler. Automatic transmissions generate a lot of heat, and towing only makes it worse. If your car isn't equipped with an auxiliary transmission cooler, you risk overheating and frying your transmission fluid within minutes. Always use the right towing gear and install a transmission cooler if you're hauling heavy loads. It's a small investment that prevents catastrophic failure. Mistake number 9 happens when you're low on fuel, and it can burn out your transmission. Number 9, driving on low fuel. Frequently, the fuel in your tank does more than power your car, it also cools your fuel pump. Driving on low fuel consistently causes the pump to overheat and can introduce air into the system. That affects the engine and indirectly stresses the transmission too, especially if sensors aren't receiving accurate data. Keep at least a quarter tank at all times. Mistake number 10 is about something most drivers overlook during maintenance. Number 10, skipping transmission fluid changes. Unlike engine oil, many manufacturers don't emphasize regular transmission fluid changes, but over time debris builds up and fluid quality drops, leading to slipping, overheating, and total failure. If your car has a dipstick, check the fluid monthly. If it doesn't, ask your mechanic to inspect it at service intervals. A flush or fluid change can literally save your transmission. Mistake number 11 might be hiding under your tires, and it's more damaging than you think. Number 11, driving with mismatched tire sizes. Having mismatched tire sizes or different tread depths causes uneven power distribution, especially in AWD vehicles. That confuses the transmission and differential systems, leading to mechanical stress and wear. Always replace tires in sets and make sure they match the manufacturer's specs. What happens when you ignore strange sounds or hesitation? Number 12, ignoring early warning signs. If you notice hesitation, delayed shifting, slipping, or odd noises, don't ignore them. These are early warning signs your transmission needs attention. Catching problems early can mean a $200 sensor repair instead of a $5,000 rebuild. Use a scanner to check codes or see a mechanic as soon as possible when you feel something off. And finally, this mistake destroys more transmissions than any other. Number 13, letting the car overheat. Heat is the #1 enemy of automatic transmissions. Whether it's low coolant, bad radiators, or stop-and-go traffic in hot weather, if your car overheats, so does your transmission. Check your cooling system regularly, replace coolant as needed, and avoid idling with the AC on for long periods in high temps. If your temp gauge ever spikes, pull over immediately. There you have it, 13 stupid mistakes that are silently destroying automatic cars every day. But now that you know what to avoid, you can protect your ride and save thousands in repair bills. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to Car Care Xpert so you never miss another life-saving car tip. Let us know in the comments which mistake shocked you the most, or which one you've been guilty of. And hey, better late than never to stop the damage. Until next time, drive smart, drive safe, and keep your car running like new.